Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Pisces placement. So this is your general situation in love and the person on your mind. Okay, this is end of April hanggang end of April po. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. And yeah, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light, and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And sa mga nagtatanong pagdating sa ating mga items, yes, available po lahat. Yung ating granter necklace lang yung talagang made to order. Okay, so yeah, protection from evil eye, love bracelet, granter necklace, and yung ating pang cord cutting. Okay, so yeah, let's start the reading agad-agad. Pisces, what's for you in general? Bago mag-end ang April, anong energy surrounding Pisces placements? Knight of Cups reversed, the Three of Wands, Seven of Wands. Parang meron kayong hahayaan or pababayaan. Like, ayoko na. Parang ganun. Hayaan ko na to. Yeah. Drama lang din naman eh. Parang ganun. So, for me, kung ganun nga, mas nagiging maganda yung plano mo. Okay? Mas magiging maganda yung plano mo kung hahayaan mo nga. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Something na nagkakos ng drama. Something, someone, nagkakos ng drama. What else? Page of Cups. Eight of Cups in reverse. A message from a past person. Okay. Meron bang nag-message sa inyo? Kasi parang meron. Saying sorry. Anong meron? What's their intention? Kung may mag-message man, ano nga ang intention? Tingnan natin. Page of Wands. Gusto lang malaman ng taong to kung papansinin mo pa ba siya. Walang masyadong malaking intention. Walang masyadong sabihin natin seryosong dahilan kung bakit. Okay? Andun yung marami lang silang gustong malaman din. Yeah. Some of you, I'm seeing you na parang connecting sa isang past person or somebody new. Okay? King of Wands in reversed. The Four of Cups. May malilimutan or may kailangang kalimutan. The Queen of Swords in reversed. Schedules. Plans. Meron ditong parang mga planong hindi na matutuloy. Yeah, the Hermit. May mga mababago pagdating sa mga plano. May mga mababago pagdating sa mga schedules. Okay? You're losing interest pagdating sa isang sitwasyon or sa isang tao. Yeah, the Chariot. You're moving forward. The World is here in reverse. Yeah, there's still this issue na kailangan mo na talagang i-end. Kailangan mo nang alisin for the better. Okay? So, there. So, yun ang aking nakikita for you in general. So, let's see ano namang meron pagdating sa love. Situations in love pagdating sa mga Pisces. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Anong sitwasyon meron ng mga Pisces? Okay, Ace of Cups in reverse. May nasayang. May natapon. Some of you, you're not ready pagdating sa love. You're not open, maybe. The King of Pentacles in reverse. Merong taong sinayang ka. Oo, sinayang ka. The Two of Cups, this could be sabihin natin strong connection. Yeah, pero sinayang ka. Anong meron? The Knight of Cups. The Nine of Wands. They're hiding something. Yeah. Did they? Hindi mo kaya magtiwala sa kanya ngayon. The Three of Wands. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Some of you, yung tao na iniisip mo, yung tao na parang sinayang ka, tingin mo may tinatago sa'yo. Ibang connection maybe, yeah. Star in reverse. I think there's this someone else they're hiding. Yeah. Huwag ka na mag-expect na kung ano mang dahilan. Kung nilayuan ka, tinalikuran ka nito, may iba, tinatago lang niya. Okay? Ano pang kailangan mong malaman? Aside sa merong iba. Kasi nandun yung panghihinayang mo eh. Ano pa? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Hindi mo na daw dapat itong masyadong pag-aksayahan ng panahon. Yeah, some of you have to heal from this. Kasi wala rin namang mangyayari. Yeah. Some of them, sila yung may issue. Kaya para sila yung humahanap ng paraan para maalis yung issue na meron sa kanila. Pero in a wrong way. Yeah, kasi tumalikod sa iyo eh. Yeah, alam nila na may mali. Alam nila na meron silang tinatago. Pero they're just, like, pa-cool lang. Kunyari, wala. Like that. So, Two of Swords in reverse situation. The Two of Swords in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong gustong maging open pagdating sa mga decision. Some of you, this is, hang on. Yeah, a past person. Puro past person. Some of you, if you're single, Pisces, kasi pwede kong gawing single to, pwede kong gawing new love itong unang reading natin. Ang nakikita ko sa kanila, sabihin natin you're not open for love, you're not open for connections. Pero andyan sila, they want to be open. Sabihin natin nag-expect sila na magiging open ka. Okay, pero yeah, eventually, kahit hindi naman sabihin nating aagarin, o hindi ka nito i-force, hindi ka yan mamadaliin na maging open sa kanya, or yeah, pero yeah, I'm seeing here na pwedeng magkaroon ng pagkakapalagayan ng loob eventually in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Kung sino man to na pwedeng papasok sa buhay mo trying to connect. Okay? So, yeah, your past person still here. A past person. Yeah, they're watching you heavily. They're stalking you. Some of them humihingi ng ang tawag dyan, na sana wala ka pa daw iba. Yeah. Open pa kaya si Pisces sa akin? Open pa kaya si Pisces sa akin? Yeah, they're watching you. Pero feeling nila, dinrap mo na sila totally. Or the Empress in reverse. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Feeling nila, nagmo-move on ka na from them. And accepting everything kung anong meron sa sitwasyon na hindi na ito mafi-fix. So it's like feeling niya, this is it, like this is the last. Excuse me. Okay, So, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita. So, let's go sa inyong person. The person on your mind, Pisces. Let's see. The person on Pisces' mind. Who are they? Person on Pisces' mind. Temperance in reverse. Hot-tempered. Some of them. Page of Pentacles. Some of them, they're impatient. They're waiting for a conversation, for communication. Excuse me. Could be Sagittarius or Earth sign. Anong situation meron? Yeah, they're watching you. They're stalking you. They want to say sorry. They want to express emotions. Yeah, the King of Cups. Some of you, alam ng taong to, you still love them. Okay, pero they see you somebody who's moving forward, moving on, something like that. They're watching you. Yeah. Tinitingnan nila kung meron ka na bang iba. They're curious. Okay? Let's see, what is your emotion right now for you? Death in reversed. So, gustong bumalik. Oo, they're bitter. The Six of Cups in reverse, they're bitter. They want to message you. They're sad. Alam mo, some of them, sa sobrang kalungkutan, may chance na mag-message talaga sa'yo to nang wala lang. Like, kung ano-ano lang. Okay? Because they're longing for you, craving, aching, wanting. Okay? Kung hindi to nagme-message pa sa ngayon, hindi malabo na ito'y talagang mag-send ng chat or message. What is their next action? The King of Pentacles in reversed. The Eight of Cups in reversed. Pagbalik. Pero they're just like being self-centered. Self-centered. Andun yung ego and pride. Okay? What's with that King of Pentacles in reversed? Ang gusto nito, parang ikaw ang lumapit eh. Yeah, the Star. They're wishing for a conversation. Yeah, gusto nito talaga makipag-usap sa'yo. Yung gagawin, hindi naman siya gumagawa. They're not, stepping up. Let's see, ano ba ang potential outcome bago mag-end ang April. Potential outcome. The Queen of Wands in reversed. And the Queen of Swords in reversed. Hindi sila ready. Okay? I don't know. May chance kasi dito na if this is, sabihin natin hindi mo nararamdamang tama na kumonek, then hindi talaga tama. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin gusto or what, yung parang may pumipigil, yung parang may blockage pa rin, kahit sabihin natin kung kayo ay magka-connect na muli or mag-connect man kayo. Pero parang feeling mo may struggle or sabihin natin parang may higit pa rin, then there's something wrong. Okay? The Queen of Swords in reverse, the Queen of Wands in reverse. Yeah. This is like mali na. Wala nang pagkakaintindihan dito. Some of you are dealing with same gender. Yeah, the Devil in reverse, the Eight of Swords. Wala naman patutunguhan eh. Yeah, stuck pa rin. if ever. Kung mag-connect man. Kasi parang hindi maibibigay or hindi masasabi kung ano mga kailangang sabihin, i-express, yung mga dapat i-express. It's like, there's this immaturity surrounding the energy, surrounding the connection. Okay? Puro na lang ka-immaturan. May lumabas na mga king and queens, pero naka-reversed. Ang mga naka-upright dito is pages. So, lagi na lang itong sa simula na lang siguro magiging okay. Eventually, parang magda-drop down na naman. Parang ganun, no? So, yeah, it's just like a waste of time if ever. Yeah, justice in reverse. So, wala namang mafi-fix dito kung parang paulit-ulit na lang kayo nitong taong to. This is an energy of a cycle. Okay, death is here in reverse. So, I think this is just a cycle. Okay, wag na kayong kumonek kung wala rin naman mangyayaring improvement or progress or maturity pagdating sa connection. Okay? Magsasayang lang kayo ng oras sa isa't isa. Opo. Magsasayang ka lang ng oras mo. So, let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa all signs? Ours through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces. Okay. Aries. They want you back. They want you. You're their best option. Taurus. They're confused. Okay. They're overthinking. Gemini. They're walking away. Cancer. Excuse me. Hindi na masyadong nagwo-worry si Cancer. Leo. They want to message you. They want to reach out. Virgo, gusto lang makipagayos pero hindi nila alam kung paano, kung ano sasabihin. Libra, they're sad. They're like looking for you, searching for you. Scorpio, they want commitments. Sagittarius, they love you unconditionally. Capricorn, so here they come with a message. Aquarius, they will express their emotions. Pisces, I'm seeing here energy of celebration. Okay, some of you, this is reconciliation. Yeah. A decision pagdating sa sarili or sa kanya. Parang sa paganda, sa pa-okay. Yeah. So, there yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.